What's going on, everyone? Austin here. And in this video, we're going to take a look at audio mixer grouping in QuickLink StudioPro and how it helps keeps larger productions organized. When you're working with multiple audio sources, grouping makes it easier to manage without cluttering the mixer. So, let's get into it. By default, StudioPro includes two groups: the All group, which will show every single audio device in your project, and then your Program group, which will show the audio that's currently in program. If you want to create your own custom groups, you'd start by opening the settings panel, clicking the icon here, and then going over to the Audio tab. You get to Audio, you scroll down to Audio Mixer Grouping. So here you can define custom groups based on how you want to organize your production. For example, one group might be your remote callers, another group could be dedicated to your video playback, and then another group can be for your audio inputs. So I'm going to designate some groups here. I'll do news open and student in group 1, and I'll do audio input and player 2 in my group 2. Once I hit apply and OK, you'll see the two groups now are populated in my audio mixer. So you can select a group, you can monitor levels, make some adjustments, and you can stay focused during your live production. And there you have it. That's a quick overview of the audio mixer grouping in QuickLink StudioPro. For more tutorials and walkthroughs, visit our YouTube channel or head over to support.quicklink.tv. Thanks for watching.